Hey, what's up everybody? It's John from Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm out in front of and going into this house in Kenner, Louisiana that we are about to purchase. The seller is a little older and had some tenants that were pretty bad. They had probably 50 dogs and cats in here. I know you can't see it on camera, but the smell is pretty bad. You can see all the dust collecting on the ceiling and the ceiling fans. It's pretty funky in here. Some furniture and some holes, and yeah, it's a little messy. But yeah, she reached out to us because she is tired of being a landlord. She's ready to retire, and so we were able to work on a price with her that worked for her, and so she's excited to be moving on, and we're excited to have another project out here in Kenner that we're going to renovate and make pretty again. So if you got a house in any condition, you got bad tenants, you're just tired of doing it, just ready to be done, any kind of situation at all on a home in South Louisiana, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form and we'll reach out to chat with you, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks, and talk to you soon.